Most creators use AI tools like ChatGPT or Midjourney without really knowing what's happening behind the scenes, and that's totally okay, but learning the basics can really boost your results. In this video, I'm breaking down what AI really is, the types of AI you can use today, how they actually think, sort of, and how one tool, Vizard, can change your content game. To start, here's the short version. AI is a buzzword nowadays, slapped onto anything that seems smart, from autocorrect to voice assistants. But most AI today is very specialized, not some all-knowing robot. Think of AI like an umbrella covering different tools: language models, image generators, audio systems, video editors, and assistants, each designed for a specific task. At the core of many AI systems are neural networks, layers of math that learn from data, improve through trial and error, and eventually get really good at making predictions. So, what are neural networks? Imagine lots of layers filtering info, step by step, learning connections between data like text, images, or sound, until the model becomes surprisingly accurate. Now let's explore the kinds of AI you actually use as a creator, starting with large language models like ChatGPT. They read tons of text and predict the best next words based on patterns they've seen before. These models get answers right mainly because they train on massive data sets and focus attention on important parts of your input. But remember, they don't really understand meaning like humans do. Here are some prompting tips. Be descriptive, give context, use role-play to tighten responses, and set clear constraints to avoid irrelevant output. Image generators work differently. They learn how words relate to pixels, creating unique images by refining noise into a picture through a diffusion process. AI-generated images often have strange lighting or details, which can be clues when trying to spot if something was AI-made. Depending on your goals, you'll pick different tools. Some focus on creativity, others on speed or integration. But none are perfect, so understanding their limitations helps. Moving on to audio generators, these either create music based on style prompts or synthesize speech from text with natural pacing and tone. Text-to-speech tools can clone voices and adjust speed, but you always want to use these ethically and double-check for naturalness. Video generators combine image generation with motion, learning frame changes over time, but often need clear, focused prompts to avoid messy results. Voice assistants like Siri or Alexa simply turn natural language into commands. They don't create content, they just perform tasks efficiently. Productivity AIs help with emails, workflows, and automations, saving you time but usually with less room for creative input. So where does Vizard fit in? If you create long videos and want quick, ready-to-post clips, Vizard automates the cut-up, finds the viral moments, and even schedules posts for you. Unlike traditional editors where you manually pick highlights, Vizard scans your footage for emotional spikes and punchlines, making clip selection easier and smarter. Plus, its auto-scheduling feature takes the heavy lifting out of consistent posting by filling your content calendar automatically. You can manage everything in one dashboard. No more scattered files or draft posts. Everything's organized and ready to go. Compared to tools like Descript or CapCut, Vizard sits between editing and distribution. It's not just about trimming, it's about workflow and growth. Here's how to use Vizard. Batch upload your long videos, review suggested clips, tweak if you want, and then set your posting schedule for hands-off consistency. Remember, consistency beats one-off virality every time. Use the calendar to visualize and plan, then add your personal touch with titles and captions. Some tips for any AI or editing tool: choose one tool per task and stick with it. Be descriptive in inputs and use role-based prompting to get better output. Also, be mindful of limitations. AI can make mistakes or hallucinate facts, so always review before you publish and respect ethical boundaries, especially with voice and copyright. In short, AI isn't magic, but a powerful assistant once you get how it works, especially for creators overwhelmed by long-form content. Vizard removes two big bottlenecks: finding your best clips and getting them out consistently so your content works harder with less stress. If you want, try Vizard on a test video and see how a week's worth of clips performs. There's real potential here to level up your content strategy. And if you want deeper guides on prompting AI or a full Vizard walkthrough, subscribe and don't miss the next videos. Let's make video creation easier and more rewarding. Thanks for sticking with me. See you soon, and let's take your content from work to results.